Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off comments on your posts, on email settings, on your accounts, on Reddit. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings. Now click account settings. Now click manage emails and here you will find it, comments on your post. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and if you want to turn it off just click on it like this and it will be turned off, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.